My name is Bopape and I'm Carpenter / DIY / creator of things. Today I'm here at Leroy, Merlin. I came to purchase few items that I need for today's project, of which I'm going to be going into a client's place to fit in some bedside floating shelves. When I get a client, I would first want to know what would they like me to do for them. Then I would find some relevant info or do some background research of the client, what they need. And the following day, I would go to buy the materials. Then we need wall plugs. This is the one. Okay. Now I need a drill bit. See, spirit level I've got, measuring tape, bit, hammer, and the bits. Oh, now that we are all packed up, ready to go, let me just give a courtesy call to our client. Hi, Tracy. Yes, it's given. I was just letting you know that I'm on my way. Okay, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay. Sweet, bye. Hi, Tracy.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good, thanks.
With clients that need my services, I would want to meet them in person so that they can explain exactly what they need. They would even pinpoint where things should be installed. Exactly, we make markings so that when I'm doing the job, I know exactly what to do.
Yes.
So big, medium, small.
Correct. I think that looks perfect.
And the gap between?
Yes, I like that.
You like that?
Yes.
Okay. Your eyes should be straight with the number when you want to mark. That's another tip, because if I'm underneath, I wouldn't exactly see where the line is. Point it at the mark. You must know where your plumbing is situated so that you don't drill through the pipes on the wall. If I had to charge by hour, some of the jobs you can do them within an hour. And if it's a small job, then I would not charge you over the product's price. I would just try and be 50% of the price. Then if it's something that I need to make from scratch, then I would compare it with the existing one, but try and be more on the lesser price from the store. The installation is done. The client is happy. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.